Howdy guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER we're going to be looking at rotating objects using the design central panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program. Now this is a mini series on rotating, scaling and locating, or setting the location of objects. And then we've already covered scaling and moving, so now we're going to be looking at rotating. Now there's two ways we can go about this. So the first way is using your design central panel. But for, let's say for some reason you do not have it open, just navigate to next to on your standard toolbar next to undo and redo. There's a little icon there, click it and then we'll bring it back. Now the object you want to rotate, keep in mind you can select multiple objects, but we'll be only selecting one. Then having your object selected, we go to design central, and you'll see under the second tab we hover there, it says rotate, little arrow that looks like it's rotating something. Now the first option here will be our rotation. But something to keep in mind, if we go up, it's going to go counterclockwise, and down it becomes clockwise. It's a bit confusing. But in any case, yeah, so keep that in mind. There's a few ways we can set it. So you can click here and simply use your mouse wheel. Then it feels a bit more natural. Then you can also use your arrow keys up and down. And then yeah, and also basic math does work in here, so you can like you know, plus or minus and so forth. But keep in mind, if you want to use percentage, there needs to be a value. If it's on 0, the percentage is not going to work. So we take 360 and we go 50%, then it will set it to 180 for us. That's just one thing to keep in mind when it comes to percentage. Then obviously you can type in values, so you can say 90% or 45 degrees, sorry, not percent, but let's keep that at 0. And then if we go down this design central panel, we'll find these two. As we see here, we've got rotate minus 90, which is clockwise, and rotate counterclockwise, and rotate clockwise. I'm not sure why they made it an F, maybe so you can see what is happening, because under that they've got the flip also with the F, so it gets a bit confusing. So in any case, so rotate counterclockwise 90, clockwise 90. So if you want to get a quick accurate rotation, you can always use that. Then we also have these areas here, which is your origin point. So the origin of rotation at the moment is center, so center of mass will rotate around that point. Now let's say this is a door, just so you can visualize it, and let's say we put the little origin here in the bottom of the T. Then if we use this, it will rotate it around that point. That's pretty much what this will be setting. So otherwise, yeah, that is rotation on your design central. Next up, we'll be covering it with freehand and a few ways to go about that. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also we have this nice little search option, so if you want to isolate your search, just type in what you're looking for, hit the little magnifying glass button. But if it does not find any results for you, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.